Hi everyone, welcome back to Login Helps. In today's video, I'm gonna guide you through how to log into John Lewis credit card account. If you'd like to manage your credit card account on the go by securely accessing to your account information wherever you are or whenever you want, then keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Start off by going to your web browser. In the search box at the top, type in John Lewis credit card login and press enter. On the next page where all of the search results according to your search is displayed, you can go ahead and click on this first link that says Login John Lewis. On a new page, you'll be able to see this login area. Enter your username in the first text box that you see. Make sure to type in your username correct. If you don't remember your username during the process, you can click on this forgotten your username link right beneath the box and follow the instructions to look for it. If you'd like the system to remember your username so that you won't have to type it in again next time you try to log into your account, keep this box checked before moving on. But do not tick this box if you're using a public or a shared device for your security. And after you're done entering the username correct and you are ready to move forward, click on the continue button. Soon after you do that, on the next page, you'll need to type in your password. Type in your password correct and click on the login button in order to log into your account. That is how you'll be able to do so. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial video contents like this. Thank you for watching.